We are excited to introduce DeMI, your portal to everything Linx. To create an order or quote in DeMI, hover your mouse over Shop Products, then Catalog Shop, and finally your desired catalog of products. Now, let's create a quote. Under each category, you will see all the products we offer. Clicking on a product will take you to the product detail page, which will provide basic information about each product. For more detailed information, you can click the More Info button to access the catalog page. Each catalog page will provide additional information such as the new product nomenclature, old product nomenclature, product specs, and the naming convention for smart part numbers. Let's order some single-wall round duct by clicking on the image. You can enter your quantity by typing it in or by using the up and down arrows. Click Add to proceed to the configurator. This is how you will customize your product. Follow the on-screen prompts to select your preferred options and enter your diameter. The length and gauge will default to our standard 10-foot length and standard gauge thickness, but you can always enter a custom length by typing in a value or by clicking the magnifying glass to select an option. You can also choose a different gauge by selecting from the drop-down menu. The details of the product will be displayed on the right side of the configurator. Click Finish to add your configured product to your cart. To add more material, if it's more of what was just added, you can click Duplicate Configure next to the image and change your sizes. To add different material, click Shop Products and choose your material. Once again, we are excited to introduce DeMI, your portal to everything Linx. We hope you found this video helpful. For more details, other videos, or documentation, please visit the DeMI website or contact us directly.